Good evening. You're watching The Big Story here with me, Aarti Subramaniam. A day after India called the UK policy discriminatory, Britain has modified its travel guidelines. But despite the new rules, Indians will still be considered non-vaccinated, even if they have received both doses of Covishield. Now, UK has added Covishield as an approved vaccine. However, it doesn't mention India as a country with a recognized public health body giving certification. The British High Commission spokesperson to India has clarified that Indian travellers to the UK must follow the rules for non-vaccinated people. This while reiterating that UK is engaging with India to explore how it could expand the recognition of the COVID vaccine certification issued by India. Now, what this essentially means is that if you're an Indian and you're looking to travel to the UK, irrespective of your vaccination status, you have to quarantine for 10 days, home isolation for 10 days, and you have to take 2 RT-PCR tests when you are in the UK on day 2 and on day 8. Now, Mrina has also spoken to COVID chief R.S. Sharma, who has said that no concerns regarding India's COVID vaccination certification have been raised with him. Okay, Ayushman joins us for more on this. Ayushman, of course, all day long, there's been so much of confusion since Britain changed its rules again in the afternoon after the outcry over their discriminatory policy. But first of all, just explain to our viewers what has changed and how, despite that change, on ground, there is no difference.
Well, Aarti, the only change that has happened from previous days to today is the inclusion of Covishield. The UK guidelines were updated today, and that included the name of Covishield vaccine, and that has to be done because there is one vaccine, Vaxzevria, by AstraZeneca, which has been given the permission, but other vaccine of AstraZeneca manufactured by Serum Institute is not being given permission. That was not going down well, and the name of Covishield has been included. This is one change, but that change does not give any hope to Indians because India's name is not there in the list where the independence of quarantine is there. So Indians will still be considered unvaccinated. The spokesman of UK embassy had made it clear that if an Indian wants to travel to UK, he has to apply under the unvaccinated category. And it was quoted, it was a word which was used. So still, Indians are still considered as unvaccinated despite a vaccine that is being given to a majority of population in India is approved, but the category of people who are getting that vaccine are still considered unvaccinated. This is again vaccine discrimination. It is racism what India has raised. And again, Aarti, despite changes, nothing actually changes on ground because Indians have to be quarantined if any of us want to go to UK.
Okay, in fact, actually, Ayushman, I would say it's even worse than what it was because now you're saying if Covishield has been administered in other countries, they can come to the UK. But if it's been administered in India, then you can't. So it's actually, they've taken it even one step further. Now, very interestingly, Ayushman, there is also a question mark, not just about the acceptability of Covishield, but also the vaccine certificate which we get after being doubly vaccinated and even single vaccinated.
Yes, Aarti. In fact, when we spoke to the officials in UK, on what basis actually the grant of permission of skipping the quarantine is being given after being vaccinated, certain criteria are there, and there is one criteria of vaccination which has to be as per the norm of UK. So that is something which is also being discussed here. And in that regard, only we spoke to R.S. Sharma, who is the COVID head in India. He says that UK ambassador, High Commissioner, did not raise any concern over the vaccine certificate, but he definitely wanted to visit the process as to how the COVID certificates are issued, means vaccination certificates are issued. We still have to consider the fact, Aarti, that a significant population of India is yet to be double vaccinated, but the certificates which are being used, or which are being given to people, the UK authorities wanted to check and go into the technical aspect of that, and also they wanted India to know as to how they are issuing the certificate. The COVID chief said said that both the countries' technical teams engaged with each other. They talked to each other and learned about the process. The talks are on. And meanwhile, the UK embassy is also saying that. But yes, regarding the COVID certificate, UK ambassador did speak to the COVID head once and inquired about how these certificates are actually generated and given to people after vaccination.
Okay, so Ayushman, what this effectively means, and just break this down for our viewers, because obviously there are plenty of them who are interested in this. There are plenty of students who still want to go to the UK. There are plenty of tourists who also need to plan their travel. And there's been complete chaos and confusion for the past several days. I'll just come back to you in a minute, Ayushman, to break that down and what it really means for everyone who's looking to travel to the UK. But former diplomat Shrikant Sharma joins us this evening. Mr. Sharma, good evening. Thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. I appreciate this. It now appears that what UK has done is even worse than what it was earlier. Now they're saying if you have been given Covishield, which has been administered in some other country, you're allowed into UK, you don't have to undergo quarantine, you don't have to take the day test. But if it's been done in India, those rules don't apply to you.
Yeah, it's really getting curiouser and curiouser, and very hard to believe, because UK... at the level of when our foreign minister has spoken to the UK foreign secretary, then for them to talk like this is really, it takes my breath away. It's totally incomprehensible, and we are probably sliding into reciprocal, requirement from our side also. I don't know what has gone. The UK is... completely, it's like a forked tongue. They are talking to us. On the one hand, they talk very close, and, there is so much otherwise going. And on the other hand, on a matter as vital as this, where our people are involved, they are trying to say this absolutely outrageous thing that Covishield given elsewhere will be okay, but, this is completely, outrageous.
Well, Mr. Sharma, yesterday the Indian government, and we heard the foreign secretary call it discriminatory, harsh words but much needed words. Should India have taken this up more vociferously earlier as well? Because these rules have actually been in place for quite some time now, and several students who wanted to go to the UK in the September period have really paid the price for this as well. And now, despite the foreign minister saying so, we're still in a limbo with the UK dragging its feet on this issue.
No, this is really a stronger reaction. As you know, right across our national spectrum, there are people from other parties also who've reacted very, violently to this kind of a treatment being given to India. So, there is a complete unity of kind of an Indian reaction against the complete, ludicrous nature of this British position.
Absolutely. Mr. Sharma, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. I think we're still awaiting word from the Foreign Ministry on these latest changes and how they are viewing it. Ayushman, if you're still with us, just to summarize for all our viewers before we wrap up this segment, on what now, if you are an Indian who wants to travel to the UK, what do you have to do?
Well, Aarti, currently, if you are an Indian, the uncertainty over your vaccination status is there. So if you are an Indian, you need to pre-book the RT-PCR test, which will be done on the day of arrival. And then on day 8 of your isolation and day 10, you have to again go for the RT-PCR test, because the health system of United Kingdom doesn't consider you vaccinated. So even if you have taken the Covishield or Covaxin, you are unvaccinated according to them. And you have to follow a mandatory quarantine of 10 days, and only after that you can come out of the quarantine period in United Kingdom.